I'm Ray Bruckey, owner and operator of Kendall Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. Kendall Plumbing and Heating has been around since 1958. I bought the business in April Fool's Day of 1977. The services we provide are the sales and installation and service of HVAC, heating, ventilating, cooling products. And then in plumbing, we do toilet replacements, fixtures, bathroom remodel jobs of that nature. The overall goal for our customers would be to satisfy their need, explain to them what we're doing and how this is going to help them in the situation or the problem they're having.